All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff on cryptocurrency. Today we're talking about ANKR. This coin is up 47% in the last 7 days. It's up about 23% in the last 24 hours. All kinds of good things going on with ANKR. So we're going to do a nice little deep dive of what's going on with that. Go to the website, all kinds of good stuff, giving you information on ANKR. Also, cryptocurrency tumbles as the coronavirus's new variants has shaken up the whole market. So we're going to talk about that. We were at an all-time low yesterday. All kinds of good things. This could be the discount buy season session that you're looking for, because there's all kinds of things down 15 to 20%. So coronavirus variant is making things get shaken up in the marketplace. We're going to cover that. And then we're going to go over to the top 20. Normally we're going on what coins are up. We're going to talk about the top 20, which coins could be a great discount buy right now with coins being down 5, 10, 15, 20%. So we're going to kind of focus on a couple coins that could be a good coin to put on your radar. So with that, here on Frank's Crypto Corner, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's head over to ANKR. All right, right here at CoinMarketCap, first thing I want you to notice is there's all these reds around ANKR. So ANKR is number 79th cryptocurrency on the planet. It's up 48% in about a week. We did a video about a week and a half ago, so if you saw it and you decided to get some ANKR, you're really happy with me right now because you're up 48%. Now remember, all the information is for educational purposes only. In the last 24 hours, this coin is up 33%. So being traded at 19 cents, almost 20 cents right this second. Jumping over to the website. So the website is www.ankr.com. It's a multi-chain foundation for cryptocurrency economy. ANKR is the only platform that combines node infrastructure, staking, and DeFi to make developing and earning easy. Your next step in crypto starts here. It says right here, I'm a crypto investor. You click it, guess what? It's going to talk about staking. ANKR Stake FI, Internet Bond Launchpad. Why stake with ANKR? Well, ANKR ETH2 staking solution provides the best user experience with the highest level of safety, combined with attractive rewards, mechanisms, and instant staking liquidity through a bond-like systematic token called AETHC. You got the micro pools, staking managers, security, staking liquidity. Again, at CoinMarketCap over here, take a look at this coin. It's up 34% in the last 24 hours. Here's the last 7 days of what's been going on. This coin was traded for about 12 cents for a real long time, 12 and 13 cents, 12 and 13 cents. And you've heard the story before. Shawam, it just goes up. Take a look in the last day. This coin is up again 34%. Last 7 days, it's up 48%. So ANKR is really doing really nice right now. I decided to click the holders just to see where we're at with holders. This token actually has less holders than AMP token. So about 3 months ago, there was 26,000, 27,000 people in August that held the coin. August 29th. Let's go to October 1st, about 27,000. Right now, there's actually 30,000 people holding this token. So 27, so it's been about a 10% increase in 90 days, but less people holding this token than AMP token. Definitely put it on the radar. It's up 48%. You know, right here on the Twitter account, it talks about ANKR. Polkadot Parachain Launchpad is live at ANKR Stake FI. You can now participate on Polkadot crowd loans with ANKR Stake FI and earn your share on ANKR rewards. Check out the Parachain Launchpad right here. How does it work? Read all about it. You know, right here it says ANKR provides multi-chain solutions, meaning we are a crypto platform that supports the growth of utilities of the blockchain. We provide tools developers' needs. You know, empowering the multi-chain, right here you see you got Solana, you got Avalanche, you got Binance, Ethereum, Polkadot, you know, Chainlink, just to name a few. On the website here, earn higher rates of return with traditional staking on 11 chains. ANKR operates the most fundamental platforms on the blockchain technology. Now take a look here, you got Binance and Ethereum, Avalanche, Polkadot, Phantom. Got all these things moving here. Pretty cool website, Ethereum 2.0. Says meet ANKR 500M calls to the blockchain per day, processing 1 billion transactions per month, 45 chain supports, 8,000 node launches. So all kinds of things over here with ANKR. So this coin again is up 48% in the last 7 days, and it's up about 20-some% in the last 24 hours. We'll come back with our price prediction in a little bit. So cryptocurrency is tumbling with the coronavirus new variants. Let's hear what's going on with that, everybody. You got the stock market down the other day, yesterday, down the lowest it's been for the whole entire year. You got cryptocurrency down. So right here we go. Cryptocurrency tumbles as the coronavirus variant shakes the market. So our cryptocurrency is basically going down a little bit. London, November 26th. Bitcoin tumbled 9% on Friday, dragging smaller tokens down. After the discovery of new potential vaccine resistance, coronavirus variants saw investors dump risky assets as perceived safety for bonds and yields on the dollar. Bitcoin, the largest digital currency, fell 9% to the lowest since October 10th. The second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum, fell 13%. Says right here, scientists said that the coronavirus variant detected in South Africa and Hong Kong is an unusual combination of mutation and may be able to evade immune responses to make it more transmissible. Now it says right here, the coronavirus variants hit Bitcoin. Coronavirus drops 8 to 9% as the investors dump their risk assets. So again, people aren't happy. Now right here, Ethereum went down to 39.24, almost down 20% from its record high in November 10th. So give us your thoughts here. So coronavirus is not going away. There's new strains going on. And yesterday, on Friday, absolutely, the market just really went down, and everybody's saying it's because of coronavirus. You got stocks going down every which way but loose. You got cryptocurrency going down every which way but loose. I'm saying to everybody, hey, this is your time for your discount buy. Everybody on Black Friday yesterday was out shopping and enjoying themselves and saving 15, 20, 30%. If you go on stocks and you go on cryptocurrency, there's so many things down right now. What have you had on your radar? What have you been looking at? What have you been wanting to reload up on? This is your time. You don't have to do it today or tomorrow. Just keep an eye on everything because coronavirus isn't going away anytime soon. So this could shake up the market for a little bit. Remember, all the information is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Make sure you share this with your friends. We're helping everybody learn about cryptocurrency. Last thing, we're going to go ahead and head over to the top 20, do our price prediction for ANKR, and kind of talk about some discount buys. So right here at number 79, ANKR is traded about 19 cents. It's up 44% in the last 7 days, and it's up 27%. I see this token going to a quarter. It's on an uptick right this second. Everything else around it is down, 10% down, 14% down, 4% down, 10% down. So ANKR is doing something right. I don't think it's gonna stop. I think it's gonna keep going. Don't forget, all our information is for educational purposes only. All right, we're going to dig in and kind of find some coins that are really on a top right this second. Could be a great time for discounts. Bitcoin SV is down 5%, so there's a good one for you. You got a 5%. Pancake Swap over here is down 18, almost 19% in the last 7 days. It's down 9% in the last 24 hours. Pancake Swap traded at $12.92. It could be a good buy right this second. AAVE down 14% in the last 7 days, down 8% in the last 24 hours. Helium right here is down about 10% in the last 7 days, down again about 6% in the last 24 hours. And you took a look at this, Gala number 41, that's actually up 137%, so maybe you want to put that on your radar. It's up right now, traded at 68 cents, so GALA. Sandbox is still up 59% in the last 7 days. Tron is down 10%, traded at about 9 cents in the last 7 days. Here's the VeChain, down 16%, traded at 11 cents right now. You may want to take a look at VeChain, number 28. Decentraland is up 14%. There's a good token going real nice right now, $4.64. Here's some more discounts. Algorand, down almost 10%. Chainlink, down 13%, traded at $24.52. Uniswap is down 6%, 6.5%. Litecoin is down almost 10%. Shiba Inu is actually down 18% in the last 7 days. Dogecoin is down 11% in the last 10 days. Polkadot is down 15%. XRP, that's why I'm kind of focusing on this for you guys, down 11%. Cardano is down 16% in the last 7 days. Solana is down 9% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin is down 6%, and Ethereum's down 3%. Over here at the stocks on Robinhood, Carnival's down 9% today. Delta Airlines down 8% today. Norwegian Cruise Line is down 10% today. Royal Caribbean's down 12% today. So I wanted to mix in a few stocks in there. So my whole point here is right now, there's a lot of things down. Okay, so you need to be putting things on your radar, paying attention to things, doing your research. All our information is for educational purposes only. But if you take our information and you compile it with your own research and your own information, and if you need to reach out to a financier expert, that's fantastic. And you put it all together and you have 50 coins all on a discount, and there's 5 or 6 that are your favorite, maybe this is the time to load up. I know when that AMP token was down at 4.5 cents and under 5 cents, all kinds of people were trying to get the AMP token when it's under 5 cents. Right now it's between 6 and 6.5 cents. Everybody wishes it was back down at 4.5 cents. So this could be a good time that you're looking for. We may not see this time, obviously, for the rest of the year because there's only about a month left. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Coronavirus is scaring people across the planet. There's new variants. Stock market, cryptocurrency's all down. They're all pointing toward the coronavirus. All right, no problem. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. We're going to keep talking about cryptocurrency every single day, Monday through Friday at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we're bringing you a video around 3 or 4 o'clock. Once in a while, we're bringing you a bonus video around 7 o'clock at night, Monday through Fridays. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic Saturday today. We'll see you tomorrow.